Hi everyone, this is Eduardo Garcia from How to Piano. Today we are going to learn a song, a beautiful song actually. It's called Because He Lives, and I didn't know this song. I just heard it some days ago on YouTube and I really liked it, so I thought that it could be a cool song to teach you guys. He came to learn, heal and forgive. So it's a 3 chords song. The chords are C, and you play C like this, these 3 notes, and then we have a C. I say C, this is G. I don't know if I say C or G, but this is G, not C. Okay, and then we got C. Okay, C and D. G, C, and D. And with the left hand, we're just going to do something really basic, like, okay, this is a G because we're playing a G chord, and then C, 2 C, this one and this one. D. Okay, you can play just with one finger. If it's too difficult for you to do this, like this and this, you can do only one. Okay. This is not how we are going to play it. I'm just showing you the chords. Okay, depending on your level, you're gonna be able to play it like harder. I do something like. Okay, there are different ways that you can play this song, but for today we're going to do it like this, and then you can modify it if you want. So let's sing together the first part. Actually, once you learn the first part of the song, you are going to learn the whole song because everything is the same, like the whole time. So I'm going to do it with 2 fingers, but you can do it with just one. Okay, remember, you play the note of the same note that you are playing in the chord. This is G, so you play G. This is C, you play C, and this is D, you play D. Okay, so let's go. As you know, the song starts with a verse, so let's sing the verse first. Because he lives, I can face tomorrow. Because he lives, all fear is gone. Because I know he holds a future. Life is worth the living just because he lives. I don't know if the words were right or not, but that's basically the whole song. So as you saw, I played G first, D, A, C, G again, and D. Okay, G, C, G, D, C. Let's sing the first part of the song. We played just the verse, and now the song is actually going to start. God sent His Son, and they call Him Jesus. He came to love, heal and forgive. He lived and died to bear my burden. An empty grave is there to prove my Savior lives. And the verse. Because He lives, I can face tomorrow. Because He lives, all fear is gone. Because I know He holds the future, and life is worth the living just because He lives. And then we have two other verses, and they are the exact same. So another way to play this song would be something like this. So you basically play, when you play C, okay, G, this is G, this is the chord. Where what we are doing now is just to play the same note of the chord, G and G. You could add this G also, and you could add this D to the G to do it more like powerful. And the same with the C. When you play C, okay, you could play the G, and the same with the D. So basically, when you play the G, you count two notes that you don't touch, and you play this one, and then the other G. Same with the C. 1, 2, 3. C, C. D. 1, 2, 3, and D. And what I do is I play like this. Because He lives, I can face tomorrow. Because He lives, all fears is gone. Because I know He holds the future, and life is worth the living just because He lives. God sent His Son, they call Him Jesus. He came to love, heal and forgive. He lived and died to bear my burden. An empty grave is there to prove my Savior sweet to hold. And you, baby, as you can see, it's all the same. And feel the pride and joy he brings, but greater still, the calm assurance this child can face uncertain days, because he lives, because he lives. I can face tomorrow. This is another way of playing. Because he lives, all fear is gone. Because I know he holds the future, and life is worth the living just because he lives. Guys, this was Because He Lives. I hope you liked it, and see you in the next video. Bye.